Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Lincoln MKX. We're going to start right away up front. You have factory fog lamps as well as a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side now. You have chrome wheels. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires as well. And then we're going to take a look inside. You have leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Your second row seats are heated seats. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. And we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. And this MKX is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Keyless entry on the driver door. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. You have dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Lincoln on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.